Glaciers are large masses of ice that form over long periods of time from the accumulation of snow in areas where the rate of snowfall exceeds the rate of melting. Glaciers are found in high-altitude mountain regions and polar regions. They play an important role in shaping the landscape, affecting global climate, and providing freshwater resources for human use. There are two main types of glaciers: alpine glaciers and ice sheets. Alpine glaciers, also known as mountain glaciers. Alpine glaciers are found in mountainous regions around the world. They form in valleys and on mountain slopes and are typically smaller than ice sheets. Some examples of alpine glaciers include the Mer de Glace in the French Alps and the Perito Moreno Glacier in Argentina. Ice sheets. Ice sheets are enormous masses of ice that cover vast areas of land, typically in polar regions. The two largest ice sheets on Earth are the Antarctic ice sheet and the Greenland ice sheet. These ice sheets contain enough ice to raise sea levels by more than 60 meters if they were to melt entirely. There are several reasons why glaciers are melting at an accelerating rate. Global warming. The most significant factor contributing to glacier melt is global warming. The Earth's average temperature is increasing due to human activities such as burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and other industrial processes. As a result, glaciers are melting at an unprecedented rate, especially in polar regions where temperatures are rising faster than the global average. Changes in precipitation patterns. Changes in precipitation patterns can also contribute to glacier melt. When there is less snowfall in a particular area, glaciers receive less snow, leading to less ice accumulation and faster melting. Changes in ocean currents. Changes in ocean currents can also affect glacier melt. Warm ocean currents can cause melting of glaciers from below, leading to faster ice loss. The melting of glaciers has significant consequences for the Earth. Some of the impacts of glacier melt include rising sea levels. As glaciers melt, they release water into the oceans, causing sea levels to rise. This can lead to flooding of low-lying areas, displacement of populations, and other environmental and social impacts. Changes in water availability. Glaciers are an important source of freshwater, and their meltwater feeds rivers and aquifers. When glaciers melt, water availability can change, affecting ecosystems and human communities that rely on this water. Changes in weather patterns. Glaciers play an important role in regulating global climate, and their melt can affect weather patterns in different regions of the world. Impacts on biodiversity. Glacier melt can also have significant impacts on biodiversity, affecting the plants and animals that depend on glacier-fed ecosystems. In conclusion, glaciers are large masses of ice that form over long periods of time from the accumulation of snow. There are two main types of glaciers: alpine glaciers and ice sheets. The melting of glaciers is primarily caused by global warming, changes in precipitation patterns, and changes in ocean currents. The impacts of glacier melt include rising sea levels, changes in water availability, changes in weather patterns, and impacts on biodiversity. Addressing the causes of glacier melt is critical to minimizing these impacts and protecting the Earth's ecosystems and human populations.